Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German Vocabulary. In this video, you will be learning the names of various vegetables in German along with their articles and their plural forms. This is a revised version of the video. We have added a few more vegetables. To practice what you learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. So let's begin. Das Gemüse. Since Gemüse is a collective noun, the article is das. So now we'll be doing some vegetables. All you have to do is listen and repeat. So here's the first one. Die Karotte, die Karotten. Once again, die Karotte, die Karotten. Another common name for carrot is die Möhre, die Möhren. Here's the next one. Die Zwiebel, die Zwiebeln. Noch einmal. Die Zwiebel, die Zwiebeln. Moving on to the next one. Die Paprika, die Paprikas. Noch einmal. Die Paprika, die Paprikas. Manchmal benutzt man auch den Artikel der Paprika. The next one is die Kartoffel, die Kartoffeln. Once again, die Kartoffel, die Kartoffeln. In Österreich und in Süddeutschland, in Austria and in southern Germany, they are also known as der Erdapfel, die Erdäpfel. And here's the next one. Die Zitrone, die Zitronen. Noch einmal. Die Zitrone, die Zitronen. Moving on to the next one. Die Bohne, die Bohnen. Noch einmal. Die Bohne, die Bohnen. And the next one is der Kürbis, die Kürbisse. Noch einmal. Der Kürbis, die Kürbisse. The next one has no plural form. Der Mais. Noch einmal. Der Mais. In some regions in Austria, you might also hear der Kukuruz. Moving on to the next one. Der Blumenkohl, die Blumenkohle. Noch einmal. Der Blumenkohl, die Blumenkohle. The next one is similar. Der Kohl, die Kohle. Noch einmal. Der Kohl, die Kohle. The next one also doesn't have a plural form. Der Knoblauch. Noch einmal. Der Knoblauch. Here's the next one. Der Spargel, die Spargeln. Noch einmal. Der Spargel, die Spargeln. Now let's look at the next one. Der Brokkoli, die Brokkoli. Once again, der Brokkoli, die Brokkoli. And the next one is der Spinat. Once again, der Spinat. This one doesn't have a plural form. Moving on to the next one. Die Zucchini. In Plural auch die Zucchini. In Switzerland, the plural is die Zucchetti. Let's look at the next one. Die Erbse. Die Erbsen. Once again, die Erbse. Die Erbsen. Moving on to the next one. Die Gurke. Die Gurken. Noch einmal. Die Gurke. Die Gurken. Die Aubergine. Die Auberginen. Noch einmal. Die Aubergine. Die Auberginen. In Austria, you would say die Melanzani. Die Melanzanis. And now the next one. Die rote Beete. Die rote Beeten. Once again, die rote Beete. Die rote Beeten. And the next one is der Ingwer. Once again, der Ingwer. The next one. Die Rübe. Die Rüben. Noch einmal. Die Rübe. Die Rüben. The next one is die Süßkartoffel. Die Süßkartoffeln. Noch einmal. Die Süßkartoffel. Die Süßkartoffeln. The next one has no plural form. Der Fenchel. Noch einmal. Der Fenchel. Moving on to the next one. Der Rosenkohl. Noch einmal. Der Rosenkohl. This one also doesn't have a plural form. In Austria, they are also known as Kohlsprossen. Noch einmal. Kohlsprossen. The next one is der Salat. Die Salate. Noch einmal. Der Salat. Die Salate. And here's the last one. Der Lauch. Die Lauke. Once again, der Lauch. Die Lauke. So these were some common vegetables that you will find in Germany. If you want to practice what you have learned today, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!